Hey guys, how's everyone doing? We are back again to bring you insights and advice on your real estate journey. So if you're looking for a property tutorial and how-to channel, you've come to the right place.
Today, we will be discussing the difference between a joint tenancy and tenancy in common and how it impacts your ownership manner. Let's get into it. As long as there is more than one owner in the property, you are required to indicate your ownership manner. These are the only options available, so do know the difference before you make your choice.
A joint tenancy is an equal ownership share. So if I buy a property with my wife under joint tenancy, we automatically have 50-50 share of the property, irregardless of the contribution.
For tenancy in common, the rights are definite and separate. It need not be on a 50-50 basis. In fact, you may split all the way up to 99-1, which is something you and your peers might have heard of. The rights and interests in the property will hence be based on the degree of ownership. The main difference between a joint tenancy and tenancy in common is called right of survivorship.
Exactly. Let's give a basic illustration. If today you and me, we own a property under joint tenancy. If I pass on, 100% of the property now belongs to you. It does not belong to my wife, it does not belong to my children. Hence, the right of survivorship.
If we buy a property as tenants in common, even if we split 50-50, the right of survivorship does not apply in this case. Meaning, if I pass away, my 50% share will not go to you. My 50% share will be passed according to my will, if not according to the Intestate Succession Act.
At any point in time, if you wish to sell your share to a third party, just make sure you get the consent of all the co-owners, irregardless of joint tenancy or tenancy in common.
Both holding manners have their pros and cons, so which one you buy will depend on what is the purpose of your purchase. So which will you choose for a matrimonial home and which will you choose for an investment property? Let us know your thoughts below.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to help you in your real estate journey. See you.